Previously on AJ Starch. And we're ready to start mocking up the rear end and the front end as soon as I get all my parts together for that. First things first, I got to get those tires mounted on rims. got some big and littles now. Hell yeah. Looks pretty cool. So, kind of hard to see in the clutter of the garage, but we got the fronts mounted. These are Firestone Deluxe Champion Radials P195 75 R15s, and the backs are Primewell 850 something or others. They're kind of hard to see, but they're 235 75s. Give me a pretty righteous big and little look. Now I know they're radials, but I will also be mounting a set of bias plies on 4-inch and 4.5-inch wide forward wheels, 16-inch forward wheels. So all you purists, I will have two looks, one for a 60s look and one for a earlier look. The 235s measure in at, looks like 28 3/4, not quite 29, maybe a smidge less than 29. And we're looking at 20, it's kind of hard to get a flat angle on this, like 26.5, 26 3/8 on the fronts. So that's not bad. It'll give me a nice little rubber rake. And if you're concerned about my caster angle, I did a bunch of math on paper, looking at the size of the tires. Once I set up my frame and my caster for this size tire, when I go to the 16-inch wheels, if I do it correctly, and size the tires correctly, I can stay within my recommended caster angle on the front end. Actually, with the radials, it'll be set up more for long distance cruising, for easier, straighter driving. And then when I go to the bias ply 16-inch tires, the skinnier tires, it will actually be set up more for easier turning. Mathematically, it works that way, but when we get to the end and we change the tires, we may not feel anything because it's that small of a difference. So I think we'll be good there. So now that we've got tires to use, next we can start setting up one of these axles. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do first yet, front or the rear, but that'll be one of the next videos. So till then, later YouTube.